Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be revealing my Ipsy box. I have the Ipsy, but the second part of it, I think this is the, let's see what the card says. I think it's the ultimate. Well, the Glam box. I have the Glam box. So, this month theme is, let's see here. I guess it's flaunted. That's what it looks like. Flaunted. So in this box, for the month of October, we have the Blue Lotus Brightening Serum, the Stick and Stella, the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette, the Betty Boop Ipsy Drawn to Your Eyeliner, and the Farah brushes. Now I was looking at some Farah brushes on eBay and I wanted to get them, but I was like, no, let me wait. I think there's some other brushes I want to get first. So I'm very surprised to get this in this box, especially seeing that I was already looking at them this month to buy. So this works out very fine for me. So let's see here. Always when I see these here in the boxes, it reminds me of a room that's padded. Like you should be putting them on the wall to pad the walls to keep the sound from going through. Every time I see these, I think of that. Like I said to myself, I think I'm gonna start collecting them so I can pad my makeup room. So when I'm filming, I can't hear what's out. That's out coming in. I don't know how that would work out. Having a room with different colors, because they never seem to sing. They never seem to send the same colors. So that would be very interesting. Alright, let's start off with the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. How do I get in here? And this is what it looks like. So let's open the bad boy. Well, they had to make it difficult to get into it. Alright, I'm trying to open this as quickly as I can. But they had this sucker taped in. Alright, come on now. There we go. Alright, so let's try this one. These seem like more like bronzers. I guess you could use them as bronzers. Let's try this one right here. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I think I'm going to enjoy that one. So let's look at the beautiful makeup brushes. So let's see, how do we get into this? Okay. So this is what they look like. Now if you look here, it's right where you put your fingers into it. Let's see. The grooves there. I don't know if you can see it that well. Alright, there it goes, the grooves. And if you look here, it's black there and blue at the tips. I don't know if it's showing. Okay, you can see the blue there. The blue tips. You can see it. It's like a navy color with black and then blue. Alright, so this is the other brush. Now what number is this? This is a stippling. It's 40 FM. And this one is number 218. And so let's see this one. This is 20 FF straight. Alright. Let's put this in my makeup container, since I will be keeping those. Alright, next we have here Blue Lotus. It is the brightening serum. So let's see here. I'm not gonna test this one out because I already got some beauty products that I'm trying out, and so I don't want to open too many of them. This is what it looks like. So very happy to have that, because you can never brighten your skin too much. I ain't trying to dye myself, but you know, from some of the moles and blackheads I get, it would help to fade them in. Alright, so this is the stick. Is it Jolii? Let's see here. Ah! Oh my goodness, did you guys just see that? It fell the hell out. Can you believe that? It actually came out. Well, I do declare. That's what it looks like. So let's test it right quick. I can't believe this sucker fell out. It's a very pretty color. I guess this one is for highlighting. I can't believe it fell out like that. Like, what the HE double hockey stick was that? Alright, so next we have the Betty Boop and Ipsy collaboration eyeliner. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so I guess it do something a little less. Alright, so you get either tilt it down completely and make a bigger line, or the smaller line. That's what it looks like. I will be keeping this for myself, especially since I just tested it on my own skin. Let's see what else we have. Okay, last but not least, we have the Betty Boop makeup bag. Look at that. See that? So I will be gifting this to my mother. She's off into Betty Boop. So other than that, this is my haul, and I want you to remember one thing: makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. So it depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless. Bye.